The stock market just took a massive hit, with the Dow dropping 850 points and the Nasdaq plunging 4% in a brutal sell-off. Investors are scrambling as recession fears continue to grow, wiping out recent gains and dragging the S&P 500 to a 6-month low. So what's behind this latest market meltdown? First, investors are spooked by the latest economic data. Recent reports suggest that growth is slowing, inflation is still putting pressure on consumers, and corporate earnings aren't looking great. Bond yields are rising, signaling that Wall Street is preparing for a possible recession. Then there's the political factor. Former President Donald Trump made headlines when he told people to stop watching the stock market, implying that more turbulence could be ahead. While his statement might be aimed at long-term investors, it's not exactly what traders want to hear in the middle of a major market slide. Tech stocks took some of the biggest hits today. The Nasdaq's 4% drop wiped out billions in market value, with major players like Tesla, Apple, and Amazon all seeing steep losses. Rising interest rates continue to weigh on growth stocks, making investors even more cautious. The sell-off isn't just about recession fears, it's also about uncertainty. The Federal Reserve has been clear that it wants to cut interest rates until inflation's fully under control, but many traders were hoping for a more dovish stance. Without a clear path forward, markets are reacting with volatility. At the same time, the global economy is showing signs of strain. Weak manufacturing numbers from Europe and slowing growth in China are adding to the pressure. When major economies struggle, it affects markets worldwide, and the US isn't immune. So what happens next? If today's sell-off continues, we could see even more panic selling in the coming days. However, some analysts believe that we might be near a short-term bottom, which could lead to a temporary rebound. For now, investors are left watching and waiting, hoping for some stability in what has become an unpredictable market.